Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I present you the unboxing of a Dashcam which is 70 my Smart Dashcam 1S. I've been searching for Dashcam for a pretty while. First I opted for the DDPi Mini, then I heard about the reviews and checked the app's reviews as well from the Play Store. The review was not so good, so finally I opted for 70 my. It got a bit costly compared to DDPi, but after seeing that the qualities, I think it's worth it. So in this video, I'm going to share about only about the unboxing, and I will show you the box contained, and that's all about it. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. This cost me around for 4,200. The packaging was quite good. It's completely sealed. Just one thing I don't like about this dashcam is that it's made in China. Rest the specification is really very good and quite impressive as well. If you own a car, I recommend you to please use any kind of dash cam at least for your own safety. That's the electrostatic sticker. The main function is that you don't have to stick the glue on your windscreen. The user manual. Now comes the main unit, the dash cam itself.